The curry room at Governor's, we opened nearly 2 years ago now. It quickly established itself as by far the best Indian restaurant there is in the Channel Islands, and it's just a real success story for us. Great cuisine, we've got some great dishes on the menu, really well supported by the local market as well as by our own hotel residents.
Nice to see you again. How are you?
I'm fine, and yourself?
Fantastic, yeah, really good, thanks. Shall we go?
Yes.
I'm the Urban Rajah, and my mission is to taste and find the best curry in the world. I've come to Guernsey because I love fish, but I absolutely adore seafood, and finding the sweet, fresh, tasting flesh of crab, Guernsey, is the only place to come. Now, I'm here at the Old Government House Hotel because they actually have the best curry restaurant in the Channel Islands. It's known as the Governor's Grill, and it's their curry restaurant. So I'm here to cook a crab curry to see whether the general manager is going to put it on the menu. Now, I know he's tasted some fabulous curry over the last few years, so I've got a real task ahead of myself. Join me in the kitchen. We're in full service. I've got to get this plate of food out so that the GM is able to try it and see whether it's going to work for the restaurant, and really also just to see whether it's something that we're going to be able to put on the menu. So I'm going to be trying my own special crab curry.
The crab curry that we've just had is just beautiful, absolutely stunning, and beautiful local crab, just the delicate flavours of it, just absolutely amazing.